According to some of the clauses in the contract between Government of Uganda and China International Water and Electric Corporation, the contractor in the construction of the Isimba Hydropower Plant, the dam was to last for 100 years and initial rehabilitation would start taking place after 40 years. Barely 6 years after the commissioning of the Isimba Hydropower Station, in 2022, the defects were discovered in the spillway of the dam with major cracks. A spillway is used to regulate the amount of water that goes through the powerhouse and releasing of excess waters. In the spillway at Isimba, there are buffer blocks that were eroded. The buffer blocks are used to slow down the speed at which the water through the spillway moves.
And this has shown that the application of this construction element was not the right decision.
It's very common to see reinforcement steel exposed to the elements. That's the air and the water.
These defects have been a matter of discussion over time, which has also led to the Committee of Natural Resources and Environment of Parliament to conduct regular visits to the dam. Last evening, the committee members met different stakeholders, including Ministry of Energy, UEGCL, the contractor CWE, among others, to pave ways for the rehabilitation.
Preconditions for undertaking the physical model test and the agreed actions of quality management plan and the preliminary reports should be fulfilled in a timely manner.
The Chinese company has agreed to rehabilitate the spillway.
And we try to complete all these defect repair works and complete this work as quick as possible.
Among the action points is to have teamwork among the stakeholders, where the owners, engineers and contractor have been locked in disagreements over time on how to progress.
When these come together, we may reach a point where they cannot agree on the next course of action in as far as repairs and maintenance of the dam in the interim is concerned. We are saying that where the minister may not be available in person, he may choose to constitute a team that will help resolve those issues so that we don't have paralysis.
However, the spillway will cost around $150 million, but it's not clear who will foot these bills.
The only cost, we talked about insurance, maintenance insurance is calculated at about $90 million. And then the insurance of the dam, of the spillway itself, has to be determined. When you put this together, it is not anything less than $150 million.
So, and for the cost, we close to discuss with military to deal with policemen. And
it is said that the defects, if not attended to, the effects are very destructive. They will embark on the physical model tests to understand what could have led to the early defects.
Looking at the asset in a total approach, a complete approach, including the effects of whatever we are doing to the population downstream and to our infrastructure downstream. Because downstream we have Karuma. Anything that happens on this dam will also affect Karuma.
Number two, that the tests will reveal to us what exactly were the causes as to why the spillway degenerated much faster. I am sure the technical people will explain this in detail.
The 183 megawatts Isimba Hydropower Plant is worth $156 million, a loan acquired from Exim Bank of China. The Ministry of Energy says they cannot cancel the CWE contract because this would lead to further losses on the side of government. Juma Kiria, NTV.